Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, FTR Audio Import version 1.2, I'm going to show you another great plugin that you might be able to start taking advantage of today. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will benefit, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. I'm going to open my plugin manager. I'll choose Available in the top left, and I'm going to look for FTR Audio Import in the list. I'm going to download this plugin, and once it's downloaded, I'm going to select it and enable it. I'll press OK, and I will click Yes to restart Eclipse. I'll choose my user again. And now if I open up the plugin manager and look at the description for FTR Audio Import, I see that it's going to add Tools, Multimedia, FTR Audio Import. This is going to read and combine all of the job files from FTR. In order to use this plugin, you are going to select the TRS file. The TRS file contains information that tells Eclipse in which order it should merge all of the associated TRM files for the job. So it's the TRS file that you're actually going to be selecting, but you do need to have all of the TRM files associated with the TRS file. I'm going to close the plugin manager. So to use the plugin, I'm going to go to Tools, Multimedia. I'm going to select FTR Audio Import, and then I'm going to browse to the location where I have my FTR files. And so here I see the TRS file. I'm going to select that and press OK. I'm going to provide a name for the audio file that I wish to create. I'll type in a name, any name that I'd like, and I'll press OK. And now Eclipse will process all of the TRM files that are associated with that TRS file. Once it's complete, I'll have an audio file that I can use with Audio Sync. So now that it's done, I'm going to look in my file manager, and I see that I have an FTR sample audio file, and it is in WAV PCM 1616 format. This file can be used for audio sync or for whatever purpose you have for using audio in Eclipse, or if you just need to archive it. This plugin is very easy to use, but remember you do have to have the TRS file in addition to the TRM files that go with the job. All you have to do is go to Tools, Multimedia, and FTR Audio Import, browse to the location of the TRS file, and select it. Eclipse will automatically combine the audio from all of the individual TRM files in the order specified in the TRS file. And this will provide you the full and complete audio file for that FTR job, which you can use in Eclipse for audio sync or whatever purpose you might have. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. We hope that you'll take advantage of this plugin today. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.